Glory, hallelujah. Hallowed be thy name, O Most High God. Glory be to the Most High God. Hallowed be thy name, King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. Through all the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. Look around the world today, oh God, and you will see Pharisees and backbiters taking up in vanity. But I know you control my destiny, and from you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, God, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Tell me want to sing, yeah. Jah, never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Five loaves of bread, 5,000 defend. Just like Moses right past the Red Sea, Jah. Never let I down. 20,000 rise up against me. No, not one of them can come smite me, Jah. Never let I down. Wicked heart and evil mind concentrate me, thinking how they want to terminate me, Jah. Never let us down. He's my shield and my buckler. He's my guide and protector. Whoa, he never let I down. Let me sing, yeah. Go Jah, never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing, yeah. Jah, never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Like how David slew Goliath with the sling and the stone, Samson slew the Philistine with a jackass and bounds, and never let I down. And when I back up in a sticky situation, to preserve a better preparation. Wow, we never let I down. They'll give you a basket to carry water. Why, oh why? To do your works, I'll never falter. Oh, no, no. Fool saying there is no God. But praising Jah, I'm feeling glad. Yeah. Oh, Jah, never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing, yeah. Jah, never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Mighty Jah. I believe,
of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, He created all, but His name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty God is terrible, He's terrible than all. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just listen down and sing. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just listen down and sing. I'd walk in the path of righteousness, spreading your love and happiness, teaching your word all over, trying to heal the world, hoping one day that things will turn. All mankind done truth and love, showing the youth the way to earn, to escape the fire of earth. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just blessing God we sing. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just blessing God we sing. Let us make a joyful noise and let the whole world hear us. Let's be humble and be wise and be upright in your eyes. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 These blessings we will sing. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 just blessings we will sing. Mighty and terrible is He, creator of land and sea. All things great and small created He, one and all. Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small He created all, on His name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty God is terrible, it's terrible than all. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 the blessings I will sing. Ooh, yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh, yeah, 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 the blessings I will sing. Mighty God, oh, mighty God, yeah, when you find all your troubles are over, you see, yeah. When you got love, all your bills are covered. For real, for real. Say you feel like a dog without a bone, just like a sling without a stone, just like a ship without a rudder. No one to call you very own. Don't know direction where to turn. Don't even know to find an answer. Just like a fork without a lift, just like a night without a shift, and everything you do just seems to falter. But when you find all your troubles are over, you see, yeah. When you got love, all your bills are covered. For real, for real. If you feel like the world is closing on you and all your kids depending on you, then you start think what else you going to do. Seek you find the kingdom of God, and everything shall be added after. All your hearts shall turn to laughter, and every seed is so shall prosper. When you find all your troubles are over, you see, yeah. When you got love, all your bills are covered. For real, for real. Don't put your trust in no man. Don't put your trust in no politician. Don't put your trust. Don't put your trust in no Obiaman.
stranger, all your troubles are over. You see, yeah. When you got to move all your bills,
you got to, I got to, oh no, we got to, yeah. In this troubled world,
yeah, boy, you're right.
So much
we are white now, we are white now. You know,
in this troubling time,
yeah, man, one strong thing in there.
We got to live mankind. In this troubled world, with so much undermined.
Only love would
in
bring.
This struggling time, it's time to live up mankind.
Listen.
You gave us this word for us to wake up and live and share the world. You got to wake up and give.
Truly, it is a must for us to love and live in one accord. Sing down to go and ruling our lonely of yourself, so then you get caught in so many things. Yeah, only love would have bring.
This is the time, now is the hour.
Oh yeah, with my best of our potential, you know.
We got the mind, we got the power. Your blessed sign that I and I could discover. Oh yeah. Come along, let's unite and shake Babylon asunder.
Within my heart, yeah, we give thanks for the bringing forth of all good and responsible thought. Praise all your lifelong, oh yeah, with the doing of righteousness, no one could ever go lost. Yet we all know when we receive the song, it's all be given. It is for I and I to go and ask. Never give you energy unto the evilest practices. This is an impossible wrong.
My God, you gave us this word for us to live and unite. So either if you're black or if you're yellow or white, one job, one God, one aim, one destiny.
Oh, na 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 na. The world is a cycle, and everything I have, yes, it could run in a circle. Yeah, yeah. The world is a cycle, and everything I have, yes, it could run in a circle. Got to check the step you take and every breath you make, because the little things you do is coming back at you. The ditch you dig, it might just be a destiny. I might just rise above the odds to gain my victory. Hey, do right, do right, do right, do right, do right. Do good, do good, do good, do good, do good. Because the world is a cycle. Everything I have, yes, it come round in a circle. Yeah, yeah. The world is a cycle. And everything I have, yes, it come round in a circle. So if I see you stumble, I'll catch before you fall. They say the world is round and it's spinning like a ball. Who have eyes to see, let them see. Well, chop on fire, chop on shoulder. Think about the youth, think about their future. Babylon, them can't stop the youth, some get wiser. Spit it out the sky, they go fall in your eyes. In everything you do, remember to pray. Your prayer a day takes the devil away. In everything you do, remember to pray. A little prayer a day takes the devil away. In everything you do, remember to pray. A prayer a day takes the evil. World is a cycle, and everything I have, yes, it come out in a circle. shall it be in this I want. Jah is the key, still am I the master. Hey. Whatever you do, that's how you shall prosper. The world is a cycle. Everything early has to come on in a circle. The world is a cycle. Everything early has to come on in a circle.
To face another day. Oh.
What is your plan? Do you intend to go on living so wrong? Stop and check. This one is dedicated to all those gunmen out there who are killing innocent people and causing fear. Brother man, what is your plan? Do you intend to go on living so wrong? Stop and check before it's too late. You better better make your crooked straight, or you will regret. Every day you're fussing and fighting, robbing, looting and shooting. Turn your life around, or you will go down. Turn your life around. Yes. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness, and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. Mr. Man, rinsing your steel, taking another life. How do you feel? One day I know the time will come. Better hear this word of advice and throw down your gun. Every day you're fussing and fighting, innocent blood you've been shedding. Turn your life around, or you will go down. Turn your life around. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness, and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness, and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. Oh, yeah. Go down on your knees and pray. Brother man, what is your plan?
Wake up in the morning, yes, the fire me lighting. Chant a couple songs of Babylon me burning. Can't take a Rastafari works for joking. People need help, hungry people need feeding. Positive works, yes, I got to believe in. Progressive people do things with meaning. Run from yourself, I said you must get a beating in the Gideon. Yeah. You can't do jokey, now your heart and your mind and your soul. Jokey, let's let the devil take control. This ain't no ring game, this ain't no dandy shandy. I don't scrappy dappy do, I don't Scooby Dooby. It's a Gideon on the battlefield, and if you don't stand firm, a man will eat your meal. And even though you're smiling, you got to be serious. Know when to walk and know when to talk. Even though you're smiling, you got to be serious. Know when to walk and know when to run. And this a Gideon, boy. I'm a Gideon, yeah. You can't do jokey, now your heart and your mind and your soul. Jokey, let's let the devil take control. To get ahead in life, you gotta be serious. To achieve what you want, you gotta be focused. Cause how you gonna trample all the locusts? Cause Rastafari works is not no bogus. Me tell the little youth and self in no job. You can't come junkie off is sober. Against your black brother, no work, no obia. You can't come sprinkle on no powder. You can't do jokey, now your heart and your mind and your soul. Jokey, let's let the devil take control. Wake up now the morning, yes, the fire me lighting. Read a couple songs of Babylon me burning.
Burn, Jah to burn them. Burn all the heathen and cheating. Hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jah to burn them. Burn all the heathen and cheating. Hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Judgment to a wicked and evil don't press up. Who try to hold the poor man down, oh Lord. Retribution to those heartlessly drivers. receive your reward for wrongs you have done, Lord. No escape from the wrath of Jah. Answer to your Creator. You stagnate, you suffer. Wicked man must go under. Burn, Jah to burn them. Burn all the leading and cheating. Hot like Scotch bannock paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jah to burn them. Burn all the heathen and cheating. Hot like Scotch bannock paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Don't burn them down. Heathen go down. It's a long time I've been sweating and toiling in a hurricane field. And although we've been struggling, I know we no get a fair deal. Well, as a little war busts out and we first put on the battlefield. But for the innocent lives we've been taking, it's to Jah we appeal. Yes, I say burn, Jah burn them. Burn all the heathen and cheating. Hot like Scotch bannock paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jah burn them. Burn all the heathen and cheating. Hot like Scotch bannock paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Jah burn them down. Heathen go down. Give me your heart, faith and chance. Oh, yeah. You know that Jah is bigger than life, is larger than death. He gave the natural wonders of earth in you, he blew breath. And the sooner you stop and give yourself a check, is the sooner you realize you're a total wreck. But Jah is there, he never leaves you. He really cares, he won't deceive you. Jah never fail yet, never fail yet. Yes, Jah is there, he never leaves you. He really cares, he won't deceive you. He never fail yet, Jah never fail yet. No, no. Jah has blessed me and guided me with his hands. He saved my life and turned it right around. I feel the vibes every call I call on his name. He is my guiding light and my ever burning flame. Oh yes, he's there, he never leaves me. He really cares, that's what he showed me. Jah never fail yet, Jah never fail yet. Yes, Jah is there, he never leaves you. He really cares, he won't deceive you. Jah never fail yet, Jah never fail yet. No, no. My mind is all set on the Most High Jah. For the works is manifested in me forever. Jah is everything. He's like running free. Said that we be free. Jah never The word is much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So listen to the messenger I touch you, Lord. Use your words and armor them. Do your works and stammer them. Mighty full power complete jammer them. Well, some think that the world is all there is. Oh, but what about the power that exists within? Mightier is he that is within you and me than all the things you can see. Listen to your messenger, it's giving you these words of prophecy. Well, use your words and armor them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up your lyrics and grammar them.
Word, sound and power come fit hammer them. Don't. Hey, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Don't. Them and them one I God. Them and them one I God. Them busting up the place and swear to God set them bad. But I'm mad. No man no better than Master God. Cause he will lick you with the lightning rod. Hey Lord, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Word, sound and power come fit hammer them. Don't. Use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Don't.
Na, yeah. Don't you worry. Because na, yeah. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Life is not hard as it seems. Take it one day at a time and fulfill your dreams. Remember, no one is an island, no one stands alone. In your doings, always remember your theme. All when things get hard and lean, hold on to your faith and fulfill your beam. And don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Test of time, test of patience. Just like in the days of ancient. Remember the man called Job? He treaded the rocky road. He knew where he was going, so he knew where he was coming from. Believe in yourself, my friend, as you pursue. Just inside what you go through. And don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Hey, my people, keep doing the positive that you're doing. Hey kids, pack your bags, time to go to school. Hey farmer, you start the engine, you got the still rolling. Youth to youth, what you do on the street side, loafing, rising at the winds. And don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy. Oh yeah, yeah, nah, nah. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. Mr. Out in a Babylon, I represent the truth. Me nah go say I road and say bad things and keep me mouth on mute. the mic in my hand. We lead out the youths them out of destruction and tell the people they should know right from wrong. We got the strength, we got the power to help each other up the ladder. Don't be selfish, no help your brothers today. We can make it if we try. Just remember to hold your head high. It doesn't make sense when we fuss and fight. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. We stand out in a Babylon and defend the truth. Me nah go sit aside and watch Babylon and keep me mouth from mute. I've got a strong reggae beat and a mic in my hand. We lead out the youths them out of destruction and let the people know right from wrong. All who believe in love will get a blessing from above. Now you believe in love. All who believe in love will get a blessing from above. Now you believe in love. Calling all the leaders of the world today. Give an eye to the poorer class, I say, yeah. Got to let the people know the right from the wrong. They are depending on you to lead the way, yeah. People just be wise, believe in yourself. The future generation depends on you. Hey. Show a little love in your arms and let the people know there's more to life. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. We stand up in a Babylon and defend the truth. Me nah go sit aside and watch Babylon and keep me mouth from mute. I've got a strong reggae beat and a mic in my hand. We lead out the youths I'm out of destruction and let the people know right from wrong. All who believe in love will get a blessing from above. All who believe in love. All who believe in love will get a blessing from above. All who believe in love. Hey, think about the hungry, think about the naked one. Hey, think about the fatherless and the motherless. Think about the gun you send out coming back at you. Oh yeah. Hey, think about the next generation to come. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. We stand up in a Babylon and represent the truth. Alright, I know me nah go stand around and keep me mouth from you. I need a king with the beat with a mic in my hand. Shackles and chains, they've been brainwashed each day. Can't find a way, but I can't live my life in sorrows every day. So I got to rise above the limit and survive. Your life is clean and life is pure. Boy, everything and hurt is yours. Oh yeah, you fight, mighty people. Let your deeds be good, not evil. You use your conscience and overstand. Oh, it's a journey we all have to take. I got to learn from each mistake. Let's give thanks for each day break. So many youths in shackles and chains, they've been brainwashed each day. Can't find a way, but I can't live my life in sorrows every day. So I got to rise above the limit and pray today. Make sure you look into the book of life. Be positive and live and don't study no war and strife. Oh no, I take a time up to love up time. I take a wash off like the river. Today is gonna be a positive day. Hey, hey. The sun is gonna shine with a beautiful rain. Oh yes, take some time to love yourself. Take some time to believe in yourself. So many youths in shackles and chains, living brain machines, they can't follow the world. But I can't live my life inside myself.
Oh Lord, whoa, whoa, boy. Live that life. Just give me, whoa, whoa, boy. Should you kill your brother just for $1? No, no. Before you press the trigger, try to think it over. Blood will be on your shoulder. God gave us His life for Reggae night to live in love and harmony. One God, one name. Remember one destiny. So I say peace, my children, peace. Peace between your neighbors and your friends. Love, my virgin love. I should give up, I am happy to defend. Peace, my virgin, peace. Peace between your neighbors and your friends. Love, my virgin love. I should give up, I am happy to defend. Should you fight your brother, try to push him under? No, no. You better think it over, let's get together. Things will be better. Do unto others as you'd like them to do unto you, my friends. Live your life so others can live. Give all the love you can give. You shall say peace, my virgin, peace. Peace between your neighbors and your friends. Love, my virgin love. I should give love, I and I feel it. Yes, peace, my virgin, peace. Peace between your neighbors and your friends. Love, my virgin love. I should give love, I and I feel it. Live in love, live until you may be loved. Whoa, whoa. Live your life, live so others can live. Yeah, 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 yeah. Others can live. No man is an island, no man stands alone. You must be careful you're not left on your own. We're living in a time of uncertainty. Today you're here, tomorrow you may not be. So peace, my virgin, peace. Peace between your neighbors and your friends. Love, my virgin love. I should feel love, I and I feel defend. Peace, my virgin, peace. Peace between your neighbors and your friends. Love, my virgin love. I should feel love, I and I feel. Tell the sister don't get weary. Tell them to be strong. And tell the brethren to be ready. Father Gideon, too many years in Babylon. So many years we've been living wrong. Together, yes, you know we'll be strong. Tear down the walls of Babylon. Never wanna see the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youth them die. I don't wanna
give? What does it take to give? What does it take to give? What does it take to give? Just think positive, yo. What does it take to give? What does it take to give? What does it take to live? Think positive and innocent.
I tell my people don't be weak. The Gideon is on. And tell the soldiers to be ready. I can never always stand strong. Together we'll fight the world and win. Cause victory is must. Yes, we're going out there in the battlefield, putting Babylon on down.
Never wanna see the youth them die. Never wanna hear the youth them cry. Never wanna hear your alibis. Don't let me see that see Never wanna see the youths them die. Never wanna hear the youths them cry. Don't want to hear your alibis. Don't let me see that see
If they would listen to the emperor, then this world would be better. But because they deny the comforter, then this whole world is burning in fire. Never wanna hear, never wanna hear.
Never wanna hear the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youths them die. Never wanna hear your alibis. Never prison.
Yo, Luciano, tell us something. What wicked Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible.
I'm gonna burn them in the face and the triple. I'm gonna burn them mad gun they and them triple. Yo!
Burn wicked Babylon terrible.
You the man say?
Burn them because them horrible.
Alright. Burn them with the face and the triple. Burn them mad gun they with the alright. Fireman a place and burn them man done. So we not gaze we burn them man done. Burn ice age and burn them man done. Fire can't gaze we burn them man done. Burn the dopey and the grave and burn them man done. Till I see I will praise and burn them man done. Till them open up their ears and burn them man. Burn them man. Luciano say
Say them a burn now. Watch out them a run, but there is no way to run. Burn dirty Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible.
Mr. Burn them from the base and the triple. Mr. Burn them man gun the wind.
Burn them out. Burn wicked Babylon terrible.
Yeah, the man say.
Burn them because them horrible.
Well, I say burn them from the base and the treble. Yeah, Mr. Burn them man gun the with the bread bubble. I gotta go and get what's mine. Don't stop my flow, don't stop my shine. I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonders sign. I gotta go and get what's mine. Can't stop my flow, can't stop my shine. Cause I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonders sign.
Burn dirty Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible.
Luciano burn them from the base and the triple. Yeah, I'm gonna burn them mad gun they with the bread again.
Burn dirty Babylon terrible.
Yeah, the man said.
Burn them because them horrible.
Alright, burn them from the base and the triple. I'm just gonna burn them mad gun they with the bread. Alright.
Wait the time and tell the people Babylon not so the pure evil. Burn them down to dust and down to gravel. All Eden and she then start marvel.
Babylon a burn. Babylon a burn down. Babylon a burn. Babylon a burn down.
love affair.
That's what you're singing about,
I tried to make you understand.
It's not easy still enough.
I do everything to make you satisfied. Still if I smile too much, it brings up arguments.
I wonder
try
why.
to give her up, you said that me and you're not friends.
I wonder
work
why.
it out this minute till you come back again. You're arguing with me now like you want it to end. This love affair, yeah. Sweet love affair. I try to make you happy every day. In this love affair. In this love affair, yeah. Sweet love affair. I try to make you happy every day. In this love affair.
Alright, we gotta tell you something now. The lonely nights I spent alone, were you ever there? No. Call you on the phone, baby, are you coming home? No, that is unfair to me. I love you desperately, you make me insecure, and that is causing all the jealousy. When are you gonna see how much you're hurting me? I never meant to knock you, but I got to face reality. You're not in love with me. If you're with a bunny, make up your mind and stop wasting my energy.
Love in abundance, yes, me have it for you.
I wish you did.
Open your heart and let the Rasta man come true.
Alright, listen to we are talk about
truthful and true. In everything
listen
we
this then.
do, boy.
Sometimes my love, the truth is very hard to deal with. Breaking up is never pretty, but I got to do this. Love affair is not my thing, yes, I got to admit. I love you and I need you, but I'm not a fool. I hear it when you say you love me, really, can you prove it? Lately something very lovely has become a misfit. I'm sorry, honey, guess I have to quit. None of us is ever gonna benefit, yeah. Love comes with responsibility. I really love you, but I got to go.
My empress,
I wanna hold firm for you, baby.
I try to make you overstay.
Yes, you're not trying hard enough, you know.
I do everything to make you satisfied.
It's the little things that
Still if I
count.
smile too much, it brings an argument.
I wonder
try
why.
to give her up, you said that me and you're no friend.
Tell me
I'm
why.
working out this minute till it come back again.
Check
You
this.
argue with me, don't like you, want it for end. This love affair, yeah. Sweet love affair.
I really want
I
a
try to
love
make you
affair.
happy every day.
That's what I got to
In
say.
this love affair.
And still, the lonely nights I spent alone, were you ever there? No, call you on the phone, baby, are you coming home? No, that is unfair to me. I love you desperately, you make me insecure, and that is causing all the
Don't
jealousy.
break my heart.
I don't wanna break it, but I got to, baby. Leave you today. I'm a queen to me, yes. And I'm so proud that I'm your king. You bring a visions to reality, what? And I'm shining like a star.
Boy, you are my king, and I'm so proud to be your queen. You bring our dreams into reality, and now you are my shining star. Yes, you are.
Girl, we always gotta
Sing together, play together.
Girl, we always gotta
Ride the weather, comes whatever. How we always gonna face the tide, our love can hide without the shadow of a doubt. Our ship will stay afloat.
Girl, you are a queen to me, yes.
And I'm so proud that you're my king. Oh,
You bring our visions to reality, what?
and now you are my shining star. Yes, you are. You.
Call me sugar, call me baby.
I won't call you.
Call me papa, call me daddy.
When I need
Call me
you.
every time you need me. Call me every time you want me. Call me sugar, call me baby.
Ooh, call me
Call me papa, call me daddy.
Daddy.
You will open up and bless us.
Our love is blazing like a burning flame. Ta-da, 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 ooh, yes, I am your queen.
Yes, I'm so proud that I'm your king.
You make my dreams into reality.
Let's get the girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's fine, you see her in prayer. Let's get the girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. You know, let's get the girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's fine, you see her in prayer. Let's get the girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. She only need a break in life, so you can see what she can do. She's conscious and polite, and ambitious too. She's so distant, she's so quiet. She only wants someone to keep her warm. And she's a warrior, she's a champion. Just give her a chance and see what she can do. This little ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's mine, you see her dimple. Yeah, this ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. This little ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's simple. Not because she's mine, you see her dimple. Yeah, this ghetto girl. No matter Texas, she's soft. Right now, mood I take her autograph. She'll never leave your side. She'll never stay away too far. Together we will ride any time. Together we can win any war.
People arise and they shout for Luciano. Chanting with good energy, filled with vibes and melody. What a wonderful way to be. Music sets the people free, free from pain and misery. And it's the roots reality, yeah. We're moving to the music and we're never gonna stop. Just can't stop. Some try to refuse it, but we ain't looking back. As the beat goes on, my soul comes alive with each bang of the piano. Oh, oh, oh. As the beat goes on, the people arise and they shout for Luciano. Oh, oh, Luciano. Music is life.
To this dispensation, will I manifest upon creation?
Jah is my light and my salvation. He is my guidance and protection. To you shall I fear. He is my rock and my foundation. He is the one of my salvation. Who shall I fear? When the wicked come upon me to eat up my flesh, they would all just fade away. Jaja is the only, yes he is the only. Jaja is the only man. My heart feels and knows the bitterness that has been handed down to those who seek for righteousness. But I will be strong nevertheless, 'cause I know that I love and manifest. Yes, when the wicked come upon me to eat up my flesh, Jah and his angels will be my fortress. Jah will surround me with his love and mercy. All I do is call upon his name. mercy and judgment unto thee, O Lord, and I will walk along thy path with a perfect heart. I will set no evil thing before my eyes, and I will give thee praise with each day I rise, and I will never get weary as long as you are here with me. God, I will walk uprightly, sing unto you with honor and glory. Bless my soul, oh child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I will never stray from thee, no way. Bless my soul, oh Father God, I pray. Oh yeah, bless my soul as I journey on through life. This road seems never ending. Be my light so I can find the way that's narrow and winding. Bless my soul, oh child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I never stray from thee. No way. Lord of mercy. See, we have a little problem on our hands. You mind if we could talk? Oh yeah. We gotta solve the situation. Yes. Lord of mercy. See, we have a little problem on our hands. You mind if we could talk? Oh yeah. We gotta solve the situation, 'cause it's our last resort. Yeah. See, the youths are growing up without love, and we got to do what we must do. And there is only one solution, and it's to set a good example and stick to your plan. They're growing up with hatred in their heart. Whoa. We can't afford to let them fall apart. Oh no, that's why we gotta try to play a part. Oh yes, or otherwise we will all get caught. Oh, get caught. We got to do something to save the human race. The human race. We can't allow the youth to go to waste. Whatever we doing must be done in haste. 'Cause the way the youths are growing is a big disgrace. They're growing up with hatred in their hearts. Oh, we can't afford to let them fall apart. Oh no, I guess we gotta try to play a part, or otherwise we will all get caught. Get caught. We will all get caught. They're depending on us. Yes, I feel it. Yes. Whoa, They're growing up with hatred in their heart. We can't afford to let them fall apart. Oh no. That's why we gotta try to play our part. Or otherwise we will all get caught. Get caught. We will all get caught. Get caught, yeah. They're growing up with hatred in their hearts. And we can't afford to let them fall apart. Oh, no. That's why we gotta try to play our part. Oh. Or otherwise we will all get caught. Get caught. We will all get caught. Oh, they're depending on us, they're depending on us. They're depending on us. They're depending on us. Yeah, na 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 na. Yeah, na 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 na. Yeah, na na. Oh, na 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 na. We've been fighting and fighting for our cause, fight to set the people free. Perseverance and continuity, we will set the captives free. Keep on working, while they keep on fighting and they keep turning. Keep on working, while they keep on fighting and they keep turning. It's a jungle out there.
It's a jungle out there.
Confusion everywhere.
Confusion everywhere.
But my people don't defend.
My people don't fail.
God shall we guide you everywhere.
Here we go.
Keep on working, while they keep on fighting and they keep turning.
Here we go.
Keep on working, while they keep on fighting and they keep turning. Climbing to the top, ain't no turning back. Rastafari guide the flock,
Guide the flock.
never tick off the clock, and never lose my track. Ain't no turning back.
Here we go.
Keep on working, while they keep on fighting and they keep turning.
Here we go.
Keep on working, while they keep on fighting and they keep turning. We've been fighting and fighting for our cause, fight to set the people free. Perseverance and continuity, we will set the captives free.
Here we go.
Keep on working, while they keep on fighting and they keep turning.
I plant a little tree in my front yard, precious little tree in my front yard. Oh, where's the rights for this tree? The seed of fall upon a wise man tomb. I take it and I sow it in a loom, praying to Jah it will germinate soon. Oh yeah, nothing in this world like the iron of a chalice. In of a chalice, iron of a chalice. Nothing in this world like the iron of a chalice. It made me feel so fine, yeah. Nothing in this world like the iron of a chalice. In of a chalice, iron of a chalice. Nothing in this world like the iron of a chalice. It made me feel so fine. They said it's good for the environment development. Bliss straight from the element. Empress in this world of the tree, yes. I said it puts you on the higher meditation. It's not the medicine where them use heal the nation. I said the kings of this world love the tree, yes. So free up the herbs, legalize the herbs. It's good for your nerves, yes. Come free up the herbs, legalize the herbs. It's good for your nerves, why? Oh, nothing in this world like the iron amateur. In amateur, iron amateur. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. It made me feel so fine, why? Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. In amateur, iron amateur. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. It made me feel so fine, yes. Oh, yeah. We smoking high grade. Oh, yeah. I grade in the chalice. Yeah. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. In amateur, iron amateur. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. Never feel so fine, boy. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. In amateur, iron amateur. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. Never feel so fine, yeah. I plant a little tree in my front yard. I press a little tree in my front yard. Oh, yes, the rights for the stream. The seed will fall upon the wise man too. I take it and I sow it in a loom. Praying to Jah for it to germinate soon. Oh, yeah. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. In amateur, iron amateur. Nothing in this world like the iron amateur. Let me feel so low.
Mankind is the living God, knows it's not right. Oh no, cause they're living like the hooligans in the Father's sight. Okay, they're spending billions of dollars inventing their guns and bombs. Oh, but the victims and the targets are only the innocent ones. Yes, so much bloodshed in the air. Mankind don't know what life's worth. Don't know. Dying in the streets, all human beings and me. Mankind sees from all your wars and shine. Oh yes, mankind please repent and let's unite. Oh, mankind sees from all your wars and shine. Oh God, I say please repent and let's unite. Oh, the Judge made us for a reason, to love one another through all seasons, to take another life that is a treason. Judge, you take away your blessing. Oh my people, listen. I say the wrath of God is risen before all mankind is risen. Oh, to take heed and learn your lesson. I say cease from all your wars and strife. Oh God, I say please repent and let's unite. Mankind, oh mankind, oh mankind. Can't you see? Little things are happening. People dying, people dying, people dying. Young ones are forever. You're losing your mind, you're losing your head. So much bomb smoke fill the air. Bomb smoke. They're destroying the atmosphere. Death and destruction. My people are living in fear. It's right. Oh my God, it's not fair. Mankind sees from all your wars and shine. Oh God, can't you see? You're taking innocent life. Oh, mankind sees. I know. I better to be poor and simple, and your conscience sets you free, than to be rich and living in agony. No. It is better to be poor and simple, and your mind is free, than to sell your souls for vanity. Lord, some all they want is silver and gold. Yeah. Diamonds and pearls, the things of this world. Oh Lord, they'll do anything, they'll say anything, just to live the life of a king. Yes. But it's better to be poor and simple, and your conscience sets you free, than to be rich and living in agony. Yes, Lord. It is better to be poor and simple, and your mind is free, than to sell your souls for vanity. Oh Lord, I know, and you should know. Some sell them ice and some sell them crack. Oh gosh, and turn other human beings in a idiot. Yes, Lord. Some sell them crack and sell them cocaine. Oh gosh, and drive the younger youths insane. Yeah, they're blind and cannot see. What will their answer be when they are face to face with destiny? Oh Lord, yes, it's better to be poor and simple, and your conscience sets you free, than to be rich and living in agony. Them done dead already, from them not of the Almighty. Yes, them done dead already, from them I forget reality. Them done dead already, them better keep it from me. Them done dead already, them are walking the beat. Should them fight against the roots and culture, that's why they might live like vulture. Yes, them fight against the right tradition, that's why them get caught up in Babylon. 400 years so long, and still they're living wrong. They don't wanna live as one. All of them a live like Taliban, but them done did already. From them no love the Almighty. Say them done did already. From them I forget reality, Lord. Them done did already. Them better keep it from me. Them done did already. Them a walking the beat. I jankro and I'm of them conscience for dollars and cents. Them a sell out them looks and them conscience like them don't have no sense. All those who laid the foundation no get no rent compensation, and still this young generation don't seem to care one damn. That's why them done it already. From them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done it already. From them I fight against reality.
Hey, Mr. Cop, hey, Mr. Cop. Why you want to give what I don't got? I don't got it, sir. So give it up, hey, give it up, yes. Hey, Mr. Talks, hey, Mr. Talks. Why you want to give what I don't got? I don't got it, sir. I'm saying, give it up, yes, yes. Tax invasion, alright, poor people. We work hard and can't insure your vehicle to get 2 shilling at the youths of it to. World under pressure, I know, so they see to all the system said you don't have a choice. Government don't care how you got to realize. Got to be wise, yes. Got to open your eyes, yes. Hey, Mr. Tax, hey, Mr. Tax. Why you want to give what I don't got? say give it up, yes. Give Mr. Cop, pay Mr. Cop. Why you want to give what I don't got? He say give it up, yes. Civil servants have all out time so hard. The same thing I foreigner, the same thing I had. Me hear them say them paycheck is not enough. To live right to life, my God, it's so tough. But people gonna rise and shine someday. I know, small people gonna rise and shine someday. I know, hey Mr. Tax, hey Mr. Tax. Why you want to give what I don't got? He said give it up, yes, yes. Hey Mr. Cap, hey Mr. Cap. Why you want to give what I don't got? He said give it up, yes.